Now, sorry, we lost that instruction. Your skill design. What's your design? What's the official plan when you graduate from here? What do you want to do?
I want to go back to school and design.
To go back to school.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very good. And these are your other colleagues as well. What's your name?
My name is Manchi.
Huh?
My name is Manchi.
Manchi. And you?
My name is Nani Anda.
Nanya and Daf. What about you?
My name is Kotia Straki.
And what about you?
My name is Zara Beatrice.
Good. You can see these are daughters. These are some of the students. I mean, some of the daughters who are here, and they have been undergoing training. And some of them wants to become. They want to go further in their studies. But the daughters of Abraham is rehabilitating them, giving them hope for the future. And this is where they are training them and then giving them that challenge so that they can have focus for the future. These children, as you see them, these young girls, as you see them here, if they've not been brought here, maybe they will have been on the street working as prostitutes, and some people abusing them and using them. But through this great project, they have been brought together, and this is where we are appealing for great support, locally and internationally. That the more this organization is funded, the better they will be able to make impact.